Zombie apocalypse.
Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Studies Corner. Today we are going to discuss different types of novel. First type, autobiographical novel. Autobiographical novel is a novel based on author's life experience. Example, Charles Dickens, David Copperfield, Great Expectations, and Virginia Woolf, The Lighthouse. These novels are autobiographical novels because these novels are based on author's own life experiences. Second type of novel is Bildungsroman. This type of novel concerned with the development of protagonist mind, separate and characters from childhood to adulthood. Example, David Copperfield by Charles Dickens and Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. Third type of novel is novel of manners. It is a type of novel focusing on and describing in detail the social customs and habit of a particular social group. For example, Frances Burney's novel Evelina and Jane Austen's novel Pride and Prejudice. These novels describe the social customs and habits of a particular social group. Fourth type of novel is picaresque novel. Picaresque novel is an episodic novel, often autobiographical novel about a rouge or picaro. Rouge means a person of low social status wandering around. Example, Rudyard Kipling, Kim, and Henry Fielding's The History of Tom Jones of Foundling are the best example of picaresque novel. Number 5, mystery novels. It is a type of novel whose driving characteristic is the element of suspense or mystery. Strange, unexplained events, terrors, unknown forces, or antagonists all may appear in a mystery novel. Gothic novels and detective novels are often called mystery novels. Best example of mystery novel is Dan Brown's novel The Da Vinci Code. Number 6, allegorical novel. An allegory is a story with two levels of meanings: surface meaning and symbolic meaning. The symbolic meaning of an allegory can be political or religious and historical. For example, Edmund Spenser's Fairy Queen and William Golding's The Lord of the Flies are the best example of allegorical novels. Type number 7, satirical novel. Satire is loosely defined as an art that ridicules a specific topic in order to provoke readers into changing their opinion of it. By attacking what they see as human folly, satirists usually imply their own opinions and how the things being attacked can be improved. For example, George Orwell's Animal Farm and Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels are the best example of satirical novels. Type number 8, historical novel. Historical novel is a novel set in an earlier historical period that features a plot shaped by the historical circumstances of that period. For example, Charles Dickens' novel A Tale of Two Cities and George Eliot's novel Romola are the famous examples of historical novels. Epistolary novel. Type number 9, epistolary novel. Epistolary novel is a novel written in the form of letters exchanged by characters in the story. For example, Samuel Richardson Pamela or Alice Walker's The Color Purple are the examples of epistolary novels. Type number 10, regional novel. A regional novel is a novel that is set against a background of a particular area. For example, novels of Charles Dickens and George Eliot, etc. are the best examples of regional novel. Type number 11, utopian novel. It is a type of novel that presents an ideal society where the problems of poverty, greed, crime have been eliminated. For example, 1984 by George Orwell and Thomas More, Utopia, are the best example of utopian novel. Dystopian novel. It is an anti-utopian novel where instead of a paradise everything has gone wrong in an attempt to create a perfect society. For example, Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. Type number 13, fantasy novel. Fantasy novel. Fantasy novel is a novel that is disengaged from reality. This type of novels are far away from reality. For example, the Hobbit novel of J.R.R. Tolkien. Type number 14, psychological novels. Psychological novels are works that reveal the internal life of the protagonist as much as the external forces that make up the plot. The phrase stream of consciousness. The phrase stream of consciousness was coined by William James in his Principle of Psychology, 1890, to describe the flow of thought of the waking mind. For example, Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse and Mrs. Dalloway and James Joyce's Ulysses are the best example of psychological novels. Type number 15, sentimental novels. The sentimental novel is a literary genre which celebrates the emotional and intellectual concept of sentiments and sensibility. For example, Lawrence Turner's Tristram Shandy and Samuel Richardson Pamela or Virtue Divided are the best examples of sentimental novels. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the button like and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.